Any
I
time.
can start?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, my name is Satish Kumar. I am a product director in a startup company. I joined the store sometime in the month of last year, September, sometime around September I joined the course. The primary objective of me joining this course is to get some deeper insights into the data analytics part of it, and specifically to enhance my product offerings currently that I'm working on. That was my primary objective, and I just wanted only to explore in terms of a good understanding of what data analytics is and various streams of it. That was my initial intent. However, after I joined the course, what I found was the course was pretty much in depth, and it starts right from the basics, which is the crucial part. I think the statistics, which forms the base of the whole data analytics, is the key part, and that was one of the extensive coverages we had. I think almost like for 2 months, I think we were only discussing about the basics, and then we stepped into the R and then Python. I think we learned almost all the models in terms of the linear regression, the kind of k-means, algorithms, and logistic regression. Then we also went and developed some of these models on our own. We did time series models. We also did some LSTM models and all this stuff. So I think the coverage was quite extensive. I think what I liked specifically about this course is the kind of basic understanding that it offers from a statistical point of view, and the relevance of how statistics is quite a pillar in terms of understanding what the data analytics is all about. Okay, doing a model is probably very simple, but how do you interpret those results and what is the basis of those results, and then looking at the data from various aspects of it is the crux of it. And Ambeone and then Neeta definitely I think is the star of this course, definitely, because I think she answered almost any kind of questions I think which we hear outside of the curriculum also. I think she never hesitated to pull out some extra time to educate us, train us, teachers, always reachable. And I'm glad that I enrolled into this course, and I definitely recommend anybody who's looking at the data analytics course. I think Ambeone is the good part. The best part of the course is it actually face to face, and I don't think so if it has been online, then I would have not probably gained what I've gained today. Thank you.